This guy got so much food just for himself. Look at that.
Since when did they put mustard on the burgers?
2 Big Macs, 2 cheeseburgers, 2 10-piece nuggets, 2 fries. This guy is freaking fat, dude. Where are we going, buddy?
A bank.
For what?
To get money.
For what?
To buy something.
For what?
To buy a quad.
Wow. For what?
To ride sometimes.
Really? We're going to have to go in, buddy.
They're
Oh, wait.
closed.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Well, we'll see what happens if you can get money or not.
Well, I'll be able to get money.
Really?
How many times it will take me to do transactions?
Dude, just get the freaking cash.
Sorry.
Look at that. Some fresh bills, baby. Yeah. Fresh money, baby. We got to do what we did with Mason's quad. Warm up. It's a Yamaha, it'll explode. Dude, where's this kid at? What the heck? What are you doing? Ah, you're making trails, I see.
I'm gonna stab myself with two.
Probably. That's a little wet, isn't it? Ready to ride?
Yeah.
Don't worry, we didn't forget about the Blazer. We have some plans for this in the future. Stay tuned for that. Should be sick if we have enough money. Goodness.
Hey, I think I can put up
I think I have a little dirt on me.
Oh.
Oh, you idiot! You idiot! There you go. You just have to feel the balance. You okay?
I burned my leg on the exhaust pipe.
Why? Oh.
It's fucking burning again.
You gotta put like a heat shield on that.
That was from the other day.
Oh my goodness.
Proper way to shut off your quad.
Yep. tie rod almost fell off. Classic Chevy.
If there's anybody here from the EPA, they can go home now.
Hey, you're a cop now. That's funny.
I didn't know you were gonna pull someone over. Grab one of there, baby. More details. As we get the next one going.
Dude, what happened to its trans?
Dude, it's a Ford.
Oh yeah.
Wait, trans? Wait, it's not Dodge.
Oh yeah.
Wait. Yeah.
It's oil and coolant mixed. That's what happened.
I think he got water in his
motor and driveline.
I think he got water in his exhaust pipe. Dude, that thing's launching over my head.
Hey, you got
I
it.
almost didn't catch it.
This is better entertainment than the pulling.
Here, grab my hand, I'll pull you up.
This guy's gonna subscribe to us on YouTube.com.
I'll help you if you subscribe.
I can do it, Phil.
Come on, Chevy, bring her frickin'.
Yeah! Chevy versus Ford, baby.
Okay, Eric Carr is on the left side, 054. Taking on Chris Shaw from Baltimore. Chris has run here.
Let's go! Holy cow!
Over here. That'll flatbed forward. Eric McMichael. Nice job, Lamar.
I swear to God I was in second. Yeah.
Dude, that guy's beating everyone.
Oh, the trans win.
Just drive it. There we go. It worked now.
All right, which Fast Dodge will win?
Oh shit! It's gotta be the white one. That thing's quick.
That one's taken.
Oh yeah. Yes!
Caught it.
That was so close. That was so close.
That truck is.
Chris Shaw.
The truck is fast.
On the pit stall, taking on Eric McMichael. Michael has.
Come on, Chevy. Chevy?
Heck yeah!
Let's find out. Here we go.
Yes! Oh! Chevy for the win, baby! I told you if he got a better start, he would win. I told you. Yes! I told you if he got a better start, he would win. Bye.